We're gathered here to mark a significant milestone in Prosper's journey through progress, prosperity, and public safety. Today, we are thrilled to announce a transformative program that enhances the quality of life for all. We are honored to unveil Texas's first in-state drone program with the Prosper Police Department's launch of the Flock Automated Drone Program.
Prosper's in north central Texas. We have a population boom that's going on.
Prosper's a great community. My family lives here. My children are here. They went to school here. And a lot of the businesses that are coming into town are providing new opportunities. Since 2018, the town of Prosper has grown 50% in our population.
Because of all that rapid growth, all the demands on law enforcement, particularly in this area, keeping up personnel-wise was very difficult. So we turned towards technology to assist us with policing this community.
So the public safety sector within the town of Prosper utilizes varying technologies across the board. We have the Flock trailers with the PTZ cameras on them. We're currently using the license plate readers all throughout town. We're also utilizing the DFR, the drone for first responders.
Yeah, measuring the success of the DFR program, number one is response time. When I first got here, our response time was about 5 minutes, but with all the growth and all the traffic, our response time is elongated to 10 minutes.
With the drones, I can get a drone up in the air and get to the incident quicker than a lot of patrol resources can. I can have that drone on scene within just less than 2 minutes. We're able to get an asset in the air very quickly to give us situational awareness, allows us to help with officer safety. So the force multiplier is that our response to an incident is much faster, and that's been a huge asset. Our LPR systems with Flock are integrated with our drones for first responders as well. So within our flight operations room, our drone pilots will receive what we call a Flock hit. On one particular call, the license plate reader had noticed a vehicle go by. That vehicle had warrants associated with it, and some of those warrants were felony warrants. When that occurred, my drone pilot immediately launched the drone. The drone followed the vehicle for a period of time as patrol assets were brought in. When the patrol assets arrived, they initiated an enforcement stop on that particular vehicle, and the subject that was in the vehicle was identified, and those warrants were accurate, and he was placed in custody during that traffic enforcement stop. On that particular call, the drone was in the air and responded to the scene in under 2 minutes. So the minute the Flock hit came in, we launched immediately and were there very, very quickly. With the ease of use with Flock safety systems across the board, it's very easy to find a Flock trailer camera. It's very easy to find the alerts for the LPR hits. With regards to the DFR, the drone for first responders, if I can do it, anybody can do it.
We want to get the reputation that Prosper is not the place bad guys want to come. Eyes in the sky, we'll be there in 90 seconds, we will find you.